As chairperson of the Commission, I wish to assure South Africans that the work of the Commission has commenced in earnest. To be specific, our first consultation with a witness is imminent.
Esithangamini sabezindaba eSandton eGauteng namhlanje uMadlanga uchaze ngezinhlelo lesigcawu esizoqhutshwa ngazo wabesememezela nethimba lakhe.
We believe that this team is up to the task and will deliver on the mandate. Regarding the timeline, we will conduct our work with a timeline in mind. Should the need arise for an extension, that is something we will address at the right time.
Uthi ikhomishana iluthathela phezulu lolu phenyo kanti ukulalelwa kwezethulo kuzokwenzeka maduze.
We assure South Africans that we are treating the matter with the urgency that it deserves, and that the Commission hearings will commence as soon as the necessary initial steps to bring us to that stage have been finalized.
Le komishana izokwethula umbiko wayo ngemuva kwezinyanga ezintathu, kanti imibuzo ngesabelo mali sale komishana uMadlanga uyibhekisa emnyangweni wezobulungiswa.